Hi Bhagyashri. Hi Priya. Hi Indrani. Good morning Wrinkle. Hi Prasanthi. Hi Kirti. Hi everybody. Hi Suman. Hi Aisha. Hi Priyanka. Hi Samarjit. Hi Rinki. Hi everybody. I welcome each one of you for another exciting session, Heart to Heart Talk by Reskill Nation. I am Sheena. Hi Purnima. Good morning Saroj. Hi Rama. Hi Sakshi. All right, guys, this is lovely morning in Bangalore, and today I am Sheena, who is going to be speaking on my heart to heart talk, and would like to start with a brief background about myself. So, I'm Sheena. I am basically from Ludhiana, Punjab. My whole schooling, my whole degree happened there itself, and I am dentist by profession. I hold 5 years of experience in the same domain. Now I am in Bangalore for past 5 years, married and have a year-old son, Vihan. So, you know, today my topic is that how could I rediscover myself after a career break? As I just shared, I'm a dentist, so definitely I was practicing dentistry for quite a good time. But like many of the women, होता है ना शादी के बाद एक time पर you need to plan the family, and you just plan either you will take a break from the job, or probably there will be maternity leave for some time. So I had plans on similar lines. But sometimes life does not happen the way you plan it to be. जब मैं फैमिली प्लानिंग के बारे में थोड़ा सोच ही रही थी, आई केम अक्रॉस सर्टेन हेल्थ challenges. It started with some throat infection, but got really complicated, where I had to quit my job, I had to stay back, I had to take rest at home. All said and done, that's okay. Life hits you one way or the other. But for me, it was always important to be independent. My recognition, my identity was important to me. And I always loved contributing to my family finances. But when I was unable to do it, that was pinching me really hard. Now, maybe it was deep down that desire कि मुझे कुछ करना है. That's when this Reskill Nation platform came across my life through one of my husband's friend. I can't really thank enough of the person who actually introduced me to this platform, because जब मुझे पता चला कि I can do something from my comfort of home, I was happy, I was excited, but at the same very time मुझे थोड़ा टेंशन हो रहा था कि कैसे करूँगी, चीज़ें नई हैं मेरे लिए, how things are going to be. But I can share this. When I started attending the trainings of Reskill Nation, I was mesmerized. Why? Because there were so many ladies like me. कोई homemaker है, किसी को job से break लिया है. In fact, some ladies who are even going to job but are exploring something new for the sake they wanted to quit from their job as well, because family है, बच्चे हैं घर में. तो I got comfortable with the platform, and when I started attending the trainings, I was super excited, because this platform touched all the chords of new era, whatever is the need of our, be it communication skills, be it pull marketing, or leveraging social media, or maybe so to say beyond everything, whatever I can just think of. And अच्छी बात ये थी कि there were people who were guiding us wholeheartedly. There were ladies who made themselves successful at this platform, and they were teaching us. That is something caught my heart, and I was thoroughly enjoying that training part, and now I can say, my independence is back to me. Since जब मैंने जॉब छोड़ दिया था, मैं घर पे थी, I was badly emotionally disturbed as well. This platform brought in that emotional stability back. Abhi, couple of days back, I happened to read one article. Article का tagline क्या था? That strong female leadership behind the scenes. The tagline only caught my attention. I had happened to read it. I actually found it so very relevant. I just thought to share at this platform too. This platform, this article was all about that Barbie doll, how that came into existence. We all like Barbie dolls, isn't it? Different designs में आती हैं, and the lady who actually had come up with this idea of making Barbie dolls is Ruth Handler. So this couple, Ruth Handler and her husband, they also had certain setbacks into their lives because of World War II. Back then, how badly finances were hit for the people. बहुत ही खराब time देखा था. If someone has, undergone the history of this World War II, and obviously when you have kids, you have family, you have finances to take care of. This Ruth Handler lady came up with the idea with her husband, why don't we go for some creative toy shop where we can start selling those plastic toys and we can make some earning out of it. Idea did wonders and they started earning so very well. But Ruth Handler had some extraordinary vision. That lady, she always had that insight that whenever it comes to the dolls for the girls, always the picture is either it's like a baby or maybe the character of mother. But she had that perspective that ladies are capable of doing anything, whatever they want to. They are independent enough, they can have choices. And with the same perspective, she proposed the idea of having this Barbie doll, and that is how that design came out. And we all love that design, isn't it? And last June 2020, they celebrated their 61st anniversary of that success, having Barbie dolls in the market. What I was wondering is how adversity brings an opportunity. I could relate with myself when I had that adverse conditions. This Reskill Nation platform came across my life, and I am excited and blessed about it because this platform taught me so many things. जो मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं भूल भी गई हूँ, मैं कर भी नहीं पाऊंगी, वो भी सब वापस से I started doing. Just a very small example. जैसे कि बचपन से ही I was a scholar student. हमेशा स्कूल में टॉप करना, डिबेट कॉम्पिटिशन्स में पार्ट लेना बहुत ईजी था मेरे लिए ये सब करना. आई यूज टू बी वेरी कंफर्टेबल डूइंग इट, एड्रेसिंग बिगर क्राउड्स, एवरीथिंग. बट व्हेन आई हैड चेंज्ड माय स्कूल, उसके बाद आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग माय डिग्री ऑफ डेंटिस्ट्री. देयर वाज गैप ऑफ लॉन्ग ईयर्स. मुझे ऐसा लगने लगा था कि मैं बड़े क्राउड को एड्रेस कर ही नहीं पाऊंगी. इट वॉज सो वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर मी. वो फियर डेवलप कर लिया था. कभी कभी सोचती थी कि दोबारा कब ऐसा हो पाएगा कि आई कैन ओवरकम दैट. I overcame that fear at this Reskill Nation platform only. How I just shared, this platform covers those high value skills in which communication skills was one of the very, very integral part. And I can say I overcame that fear of addressing bigger crowd. You see, I'm live in front of you all, I'm talking, and I'm definitely enjoying it big time. So, being the comfort of your home, having flexible working hours, not to worry going back to job, and having my own recognition. I am able to leverage social media, I am able to monetize it. सिर्फ मैं काउंट कर सकती हूँ सब मुझे क्या क्या हैप्पीनेस एंड ऑल द प्लेटफॉर्म हैज़ गिवन टू मी. सो कैसे होता है लेडीज़ का जिनके छोटे बच्चे हैं कि अभी मेरा मैटर्निटी लीव ओवर हो गया है, आई हैव गॉट सम लायबिलिटी, आई नीड टू गेट back to the job. तो कैसे होता है that बर्निंग है अंदर कि जाना पड़ रहा है, जाना नहीं चाहते हैं, बट स्टिल दे हैव टू गो for the sake of certain liabilities. But you know what? I don't have such tensions at all. Why? Because my finances are taken care of. I, kind of made a good backup already being at home, and I can give that time to my kid, and I have got that most important peace of mind because whatever I dreamt, I could get it. और अच्छी बात ये है, it is available for each one of you who are listening, ladies. Same trainings are in store for you as well, which are absolutely free of cost. That's another blissful thing. We need not to make any sort of hefty investments being part of these trainings. Definitely, you want to know more about it, you can sign in on this page, go ahead, know about it, understand, attend the trainings, and obviously you can definitely shine back with flying colors, in terms of overcoming your own maybe some setbacks जो हमारे दिल में रहते हैं कि नहीं, मैं ये नहीं कर सकती हूँ या कैसे करूँगी. Whole guidance is with you, and whole lovely ladies are there with you to help out, because we together can definitely make a great difference and unleash your potential. The last thing I can say here. And ऑलरेडी आप लोगों ने सुने हैं कई सारे हार्ट टू हार्ट टॉक्स ऑलरेडी कुछ हो चुके हैं, एंड द टाइमिंग्स आर डेफिनेटली Wednesday 4:30 p.m. and Saturday 11 a.m. live, and more to go. Listen to these heart to heart talks, get inspired, and get that hope that everything is possible. It's just about finding those opportunities in your adversity the way I could get it. And I think I am done. I am excited. Really don't have any words probably to share more. And I hope if I can really instill a ray of hope, अगर मैं आप लोगों को कुछ भी उम्मीद दे पा रही हूँ, कुछ वैल्यू ऐड कर पा रही हूँ, प्लीज लीव योर कमेंट्स बिलो. एंड with this, I am definitely done, and would like to take leave of you guys. Here is Sheena signing off. Bye bye everybody. Take care. Have a great day.